Good morning, Sir J.M. Carpio. In this video, I will demonstrate on how to measure resistance using analog multimeter. So in measuring resistance using analog multimeter, you should know how to read the value of each line on how to read it. So from 0 to 2, the value or the reading of each line is 0.2. And from 2 to 10, the reading is 0.5, and from 10 to 20 the reading is 1, from 20 to 50 the reading is 2, from 50 to 100 the reading is 10, from 100 to 200 the reading is 20, from 200 to 500 the reading is 100, from 500 to 1k the reading is 500, from 1k to 2k the reading is 1k or 1000. In measuring, the first thing you do is place your red and black probes to their appropriate slot. Then touch the tips of your probes and it must align to 0. So adjust it. Okay. And then make sure that your circuit components are turned off, and in my case I get or pulled out my resistor. And in measuring resistance there is no polarity, so you can place your probes either inside of your resistor. So in measuring, select to the highest range, and the highest range is 100k or 100,000 ohms. So you can hold your resistor in measuring, but only in your one hand. As we can see, the pointer is pointing at 0, so in this case we will lower our knob or selector knob to 1k, but be sure to align it to 0 first, and then we will measure again. So as we can see, the pointer or the needle is pointing at 1, and my selector knob is in 1k. So 1 times 1k is 1000, so my resistor is 1000 ohms, and I will read the color coding if it is 1000 ohms. So the first band is brown, the second band is black, the multiplier is red, the tolerance is gold. So the brown is 1, black is 0, red is times 100, and gold is 5%. So 10 times 100 equals 1000 or 1k ohms. And 5% of 1000 is 50, so 1000 minus 50 equals 995 ohms, and 1000 plus 50 equals 1050 ohms. So my reading is 1000, and it is in the range. So when my reading is below 995 ohms or higher than 1050 ohms, then my resistor is in not good condition or it is damaged. And in my resistor, it is inside the range. So it is in good condition. This is my video on measuring resistance using analog multimeter, and thank you and have a good day, sir.